वेलकम बैक। अभी आपको बताएं कि वजीर आजम पाकिस्तान शाहिद खाकान अब्बासी शंघाई ताउन तंजीम के सरबराह इजलास से खिताब कर रहे हैं।
Friendship and cooperation is our guiding principle. It can help promote our shared vision of mutual trust, mutual benefit, equality, respect for cultural diversity, and the pursuit of common development. The SCO should continue to contribute towards building a just and rational world order based on the UN Charter principles of respect for international law and non-interference in each other's internal affairs. Mr. Chairman, Pakistan is fully cognizant of the threats posed by terrorism, separatism, and extremism to the regional and global economic development. We have lost thousands of lives, including 6,500 military and law enforcement personnel to terrorism. Our economy has suffered losses of over $120 billion. This has only served to strengthen our resolve to fight terrorism. We are vigilant and will not allow any form of militancy on our soil. Pakistan is fully committed to eliminating the evil of terrorism. Pakistan supports and would complement the efforts of SCO RATS in the fight against terrorism and extremism. We support the SCO consensus that as we engage in the fight against terrorism, we must respect the norms and principles of international law and shun double standards. Terrorism cannot be identified with any religion, individual countries, or nationalities. Pakistan desires an early return of peace, stability, and prosperity to our brotherly country of Afghanistan. To this end, we call for further deepening of cooperation within the new consultative format of SCO Afghanistan Contact Group. The objective of this format should be to support Afghanistan's efforts for a peaceful political settlement through dialogue and combating security and terrorism threats to Afghanistan and the region. We will be happy to contribute to SCO's efforts towards building a stable and prosperous Afghanistan. Excellencies, before concluding, I would like to highlight the importance of strengthening the future SCO cooperation through, number one, improving the regional infrastructure and enhancing connectivity by building communication networks, including roads, air, maritime, and IT links. Two, developing multilateral trading systems in sync with the WTO to pursue the shared goal of economic, trade, services, and technological integration. Three, harmonizing laws and regulations on trade facilitation, movement of merchandise, taxation policies, customs rules, and removal of tariff, non-tariff barriers, as well as development of SMEs and e-commerce. Four, supporting efforts of the SCO Business Council and SCO Interbank Association in further enhancing economic, trade, and investment cooperation. Five, fast-tracking the establishment of the SCO Development Bank and Development Fund and creating synergies with the AIIB and other financial institutions. Six, creating legal synergy through regular dialogue between parliamentarians, justice ministries, Supreme Courts, and Attorney Generals for effective administration of justice. Seven, investing more in the fields of health, tourism, education, sports, culture, people-to-people contacts, and the liberalization of visa regimes. Mr. Chairman, today we are witnessing a historic opportunity for the SCO to truly have a transcontinental reach. In the coming decades, it would emerge as an important global, geopolitical, and geoeconomic force. Let us harness the SCO's potential and competencies for our mutual advantage. We stand ready to contribute to this collective endeavor. We congratulate China for taking over chairmanship of the SCO, and we wish it all success. And we promise our full support to their efforts. We thank China for effectively steering the SCO during its presidency. We welcome Tajikistan as the next host of the SCO's Head of Government meeting in 2018. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Спасибо, господин премьер-министр.
आप देख रहे हैं इस वक्त शंघाई ताउन तंजीम के सरबराह इजलास से वज़ीर आज़म शाइफ खाकान अब्बासी खिताब कर रहे थे। वज़ीर आज़म ने कहा कि तवक्को है कि शंघाई ताउन तंजीम खत्ते के अमन के लिए किरदार अदा करती रहेगी। वज़ीर आज़म की जानिब से ये भी कहा गया कि पाकिस्तान की सरजमीन दहशत गर्दी के लिए इस्तेमाल नहीं होने देंगे। वज़ीर आज़म ने कहा कि शंघाई ताउन तंजीम का रुकन होने पर फ़ख्र है। इसके साथ साथ वज़ीर आज़म ने कहा कि पाकिस्तान अफ़गानिस्तान में अमन और तरक्की का ख्वाह है।